Okay, so this is pretty nasty here. I got 30-35 yards to the flag. Pretty hard pan sand, it's been wet, it's quite compacted. So how would I play this shot? I'm going to give it 3 goes just because it's difficult. So I think about the majority of the time in the bunker you're told you want to hit 1 inch, 2 inch behind the ball and you want the club to release underneath it, use the sand to help you. Here's a little bit different. So I 100% want to guarantee I can get the distance. I want to guarantee the strike. So what am I going to do in that situation? So the ball's going to go further back in my stance here. I'm basically going to try and play it a bit like a pitch shot. I'm going to make sure there's some contact. I've got a lot of loft. I'm going to stay on my left side. I'm going to keep the handle working forward. And it's going to be quite a negative angle of attack, whereas with a normal bunker shot, you'd be wanting to be quite shallow and release it, wouldn't you? So here goes. So I've got to try and land this 25 yards. So this is horrible sort of stuff, this. So ball's back, hands are forward. Oh, I've played it absolutely lovely. Nice little bit of check on it. It's gone about 10 foot past. Try it again. So if you look at here, we're trying to contact as close as I can to the ball. Leaning to my left side. A little bit heavy. So didn't get ball first. Too much sand. So depth of divot pretty good. Okay, so last chance. I'm going to make sure I get ball first this time. Yeah, you could hear it that time. So I've hit it too far, but strike was nice. Trajectory was really nice. There was a little bit of grab on it due to the negative angle of attack, decent amount of loft. So I got a little bit of spin. But as you can see, there was no way I was getting shallow on that shot because I simply wouldn't have got the distance. Give that a try.